Hello, my name is Elizabeth Ingero, and in under 2 minutes I'm going to show you 5 important things that you should know within Premiere Pro. How to enable the magnet, how to unlink, how to add a music file, how to synchronize, and how to duplicate. Let's get the timer on and we shall crack with it. So I've got my project here, and if you've watched any of the videos below, then you'll know some of these things already. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to learn how to enable the magnet tool, which is this. There you go. It's off right now, and therefore look, it's not clipping this clip together, and I would have to zoom in to be able to see that. But when you put it on, easy peasy, it clips it for you and you can just let go. Really useful tool. Next one, we are going to learn how to unlink. If you have a video file that you've put in and it has audio with it, they'll always be connected. So when you move it around, then the video will move with the audio. To unlink, you right click, then you'd go to unlink up here, and that will remove the connections that the video and the audio file have together. So you can delete the video file if you wanted to, or you can delete the audio file, which is quite useful if you want to do something like adding music, which is what we're going to do now. So I've got a music track here now, and I'm just going to pull that up. Make sure that you put it on a separate track. Obviously I've deleted the audio here, so I can put it here. But if you had audio here, for example, then you need to put it on the bottom track so that it doesn't delete or go over what's on top. That's done. Next thing, we are going to look at how to synchronize. So these are 2 clips. This is exactly the same audio clip. All you need to do is highlight, right click, and you will go to synchronize up here. Click on audio, press OK, and it will easily put that together for you. Synchronize, done. Next thing is how to duplicate. If I had this audio file and I wanted to duplicate it, you just press the option button and you drag. Done. There you go. And I'm going to pull that together, and there you have it. 5 things that are really important to know within Premiere Pro, and it will make your life so easy in under 2 minutes. There we go. We did it. Success. So what we're going to do now is we are going to go through those again, but in a more chilled out and measured way. And hopefully you're able to follow the 2-minute rant. You're able to get the information you needed to get if you just wanted to have a refresh of those things. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into my second tutorial screen here and bring you across. Hi, I'm still here. Here we have those items that we just did there. I'm just going to press Ctrl Z because that just undoes what I did. Undoes what I did. That's like a tongue twister, isn't it? And then we'll start again. So the first thing is the magnet tool. Sometimes, for whatever reason, you unclick it or something along those lines, then you start going through the process of trying to manually, let's zoom in, then we've got to then move it so that you get the clips exactly in the right position and you don't overlay. Instead of doing that, just have the magnet clip on, the magnet tool on, and it will do that for you automatically, and you know that it's in the right position and you haven't overlapped. Next one, unlink. So to unlink anything that's linked together, obviously, so when you bring it in from the timeline, let's say this, it is connected. So even though it's above these 2 here, once I move this, it's all those files, or the video file with the video and the audio, they're going to stick together. They're sticking together. Wherever you put them, they're going to stick together. So if I want to change that and I want to do a few things to it, for example, if I want to trim just the audio, because for example, if I trim the audio and I've still got the video with me, you see it's trimming the video as well because they're linked. So what all you need to do is click on it, right click, and go to unlink up here, which is under enable. Unlink. And now they're free. They can do whatever they want. You see? I can move that there. I could bring this in without affecting the video and then put something else there, maybe a piece of music or something along those lines. So now that we've spoken about that, why don't we put a piece of music in? So I've got this, I'm saying so a lot, aren't I? I've got this piece of music here, and I'm going to pull that in and bring that across here. I'm going to bring that across there. And let's have a listen. It's going to be really loud, so let me just reduce the audio. I just went to audio gain, and I'm going to just reduce it by -8 dB. Let's have a listen. There you go. So if you're creating a vlog, if you're doing whatever you're doing out there, creating content, and you want to put music in, then you can do that. The only thing to be aware of with music is make sure that it's not overlapping something else. So if I was to put the music over here on this track, then this goes from being that to that. So it totally takes over the audio file that was there before. So we're going to delete that now. You see it deletes everything because it's totally taken over that space. Do Control Z, brought that out of the way. So that's how to add music. Just add it on a separate track. Next one is how to synchronize. So if you're going out and you're filming and you have separate audio recorded, like let's say you're recording on a Zoom or on any sort of handheld audio device, and you've still got the audio working from your camera or your DSLR or something like that. So you've got two pieces of audio, one's clean sound and one's from the, whatever device. Then all you need to do is you bring in, let's pretend this is the clean audio, or you bring in the audio from your recorder, audio recorder, voice memos, whatever. And then whatever you want it to synchronize to, that is the same, it was recorded at the same time. It has to be recorded at the same time. What you then do is you just highlight all the things together, right click, and you press synchronize, which is right here. Synchronize. It will then bring up another box, and you have to click audio. And let me just actually make sure that it's on the right. Yeah, that's on track 1. That's great. So we'll go here, we'll go to synchronize. Then we're going to click on audio here. And you want it to synchronize with the audio on track 1. We're pressing OK, and then let's see it work its magic. If you've got several clips, then obviously it's going to, there you go, take a bit longer, but there you go, it's synchronized now. So these two audio clips should now be in line with each other. And if this was the good audio, for example, I could then go and unlink this, and once it was synchronized, of course, with the video above, then I could delete this and I would only use the clean audio. So hopefully that's useful. If you want to duplicate anything, so let's say if you've got like a music file and it's really short but you want to have loads and loads and loads, then you just click on the item, press Option, and then there you have it. If I press plus there, it would have done it a lot closer. So there you have it. What you can then do again, if you have got like a long thing to fill, highlight 2 and you can duplicate. You can duplicate as many things as you highlight. So I'm pressing Option, Option key again. There you go, look, and now I'm doing 4. Be careful to only duplicate what you want. So 4, and then pull up there like that, and you could just keep on going. Obviously it's a lot faster if you highlight as many as you can at the same time, and push it together there like that. Alternatively, you could just, once you've got that, you could copy it and then paste it. So I'm just going to press Control C here, Command C. Line it up where I want it to be and press Command V. And there you go. I then don't have to drag. I can just keep on pressing Command V, Command V, Command V. And now the audio clip is really long. Okay, hopefully that has been useful for you, and you'll be able to share that knowledge with those around you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment below. That's really good actually, to see the comments and to see if there's any way that you do it differently that I can learn from, or other people that are reading the comments can learn from as well. Any shortcuts, any hacks, any tips, really good. And just how you found this video. So hit that red button if it's not, if it's still red. Hit the notification bell so that you know when I'm going to post a video. And don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you very much for watching. My name's Elizabeth Ngero. Take care for now. Bye bye.